Kids love play. With this application, they can play a lot of hours and then they can be learning without even realizing it. They can play with Lily, this is the main character of the application, and the kid will help Lily to solve problems on the farm. We try to mix education and games, so they can learn and have fun. And also, parents can check what they are learning and also what skills are developing with this application. So kids and parents can learn together.
Children with learning difficulties can actually be overstimulated. They get easily distracted or they've got poor fine motor skills. Special Words looks at taking away some of the barriers and support them in what they need to do to develop without the frustration of actually not being able to do it. It's designed to actually help with the written word and vocabulary and help develop fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. Whatever fine motor skills they've got, and even if a child is actually using it with a switch, they can actually select the card, tap and achieve, and it improves their self-esteem.
Our application targets children with dyslexia. Dyslexia affects to 10% of the population and it affects reading and writing skills and also school performance. The application Dyslexia is very easy to use, so children have to solve word exercises, and the more games and challenges they solve, the more points they get and the more they can play with the penguin. It benefits in the writing skills of children with dyslexia, so it helps them to overcome dyslexia.